Hi guys, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to do 4K color correction in After
Then how
Effects.
can I trust you when you say you're not the killer?
Exactly. You're learning.
First, ready with your edit. Now take our adjustment layer, hide text layer. Now apply a sharpen effect on adjustment layer and do my settings. After that, apply BCC unsharp mask, radius 20, amount 10. After that, apply brightness and contrast, brightness 40, contrast 18. Now apply loops effect, click on edit. Now go in tools section and select some tools. Now select 4-way color and do my 4-way color settings. After that, select to strip process and do my settings. After that, select LUT and choose a LUT. Here are many LUTs already, so you can choose any of them. I here choose ProLast Cinematic LUT. Put strength value around 40. After that, select optical diffusion and do my diffusion settings. In last, we select clarity and put clarity value 28. Now save look settings. After that, apply hue and saturation and do my settings. Now you can see before and after CC result. Unhide text layer. Now I rendering my edit. I want to tell you guys that you can also add some new other effects here, just like haze and flare effect, film damage effect, etc. Now our 4K color correction is ready. Thanks for watching this. See you soon, guys.
Don't trust anyone.
Then how can I trust you when you say you're not the killer?
Exactly. You're learning. Don't trust anyone.
Then how can I trust you when you say you're not